Hey everyone, welcome back to another year of CSCS. We're starting off the year with a nice round of rain attack. Of course, we've had many events before where it's rained, but this one was just insane. It rained all day, there was never a peak of a dry track, and it really pushed every driver to their limit, and even to the limit of how much you can trust your car without going off track. It's a pretty tough scenario to be in. Bad weather conditions and just not knowing how much grip you have out there, with each part of the track being slightly different in terms of how much grip you have. Not only was this track mentally exhausting, I had to pretty much squint the entire time just trying to find a hole to see through because my windshield kept fogging up. It was a terrible experience. I don't think I've ever had to do this. At one point I even tried to wipe the windshield to try to look through it, but obviously it's tough to reach when you have the harness on. Nonetheless, I guess one of the good things about a wet track is how great the cars look. You get sort of a fake aerodynamic wind tunnel effect with the rain, and also the pictures come out great. Throughout the day, my times got better. Of course, I was putting more trust into the car and just pushing that limit just a bit more each time. And in the finals, I just came out with an unbelievable time. I believe it was about 7 seconds faster than my qualifying time, and the day ended off pretty well.
With car number 26 with 159 in second place is going to be Michael Lisgay with an even 2.00.8 lap time, and third place, I mean, it's Brandon Versant so far. That's what I see. Touring class, it looks like the usual suspects will come to racing.